Well, we are continuing to build our own web page with the back-end structure of WordPress. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add new pages to your site, how to add a new post, and how to work with the theme to change the logo, for instance, and the background or another. So we gonna start right now. I'm gonna start with log on to my web page, and you add VP admin to your URL, and then you come to a page where you're supposed to log in like this. Oh no. My broadband connection right now is not the fastest, but I hope, yeah, there we are. Alright, how to add new pages to our site. The first one, just gotta have a site here to look at. I have one page right now, sample, and I want to add some more. So I go to dashboard, I go to pages, I can click on all pages. I can see those pages that there is, and I can click a new one. And this page I want to call contact. No, something else. Portfolio, it's a better one. And I can click on publish. Let's add some more text here. It's my portfolio, like that. Publish. And if we look at our site now and reload, nothing has happened. Only sample is up here. So, how to solve this problem? We have under appearance, we have the opportunity to change the menu on the page. And right here, I have a menu. I have one already. I can delete that one. So I can build this from the beginning. Probably this is what you're gonna see. So we want to create a menu. I'm going to create it with an instant name called menu. And click on create. And the point is that you can have several different menus if you want to. And I want to add pages to this one. So I go to my section pages, select all, and add to menu. And here they are. I can change the hierarchy between these two, and I can put them under each other also. I'm going to show you why later on. Gonna save so far. Just gonna see how it looks. Let's click reload, and then you have a sample, and then you have also should set pages there also. Go back and again. Save menu. Everything is saved. Look again. Tricky one. Theme. Locations. I have to add that the primary menu is the menu. And click on save. And save. Now I have a portfolio and I have a sample. And which one is the first one? We can change inside here. We can change the hierarchy between these two. Click on save. And then we have the opportunity to have these in the other way around. If we add some more pages, we can add those pages we are planning to have on our site. New page. called me publish. I'm going to add a new one called art and design. Like that, and publish. I can now go to appearance again and click on hit the menu button, and we have some new pages to add to our menu. And what is the fancy thing about this? One good thing, I think, is that you can arrange these pages under each other. So if you have a portfolio, you can add art and design as an under category. This one. So this one is a parent and this one is a child. If we save this and go and see what it looks like, we should have first choice. Now my internet is not that great. Say again. Here we are. Now we're reloading. Now we have samples, we have me, and we also have portfolio, and under that we have this under category called art and design. So you can arrange the pages under each other. You can stack them if you want to, in stacks. So that's a good thing. So if you have a portfolio and you have several different categories, you can then click on one of them and go to that specific page. Fancy pantsy. The face of these pages, how they are look. What's the thing on the right end here? Called widgets, and in the dashboard you go to widgets, and we can add and we can remove things like this. If you want to remove them, you just pick the stuff that is in primary way, and you don't even have to save this. Just going to visit site, and if we go to media icon category, nothing should be on the right side, just be white. But if you want to add widgets here, and what is a widget? A widget is a small small program, a small function inside of WordPress. We can have a search for, put it up there. We can rename it. If we want to have it in Swedish, we can search, save. We can add a calendar, a schedule, close, add a calendar, save. And we can also add pages, which pages I have on my site. Save. Save. We have to click on close to remove them a little bit. And if you go and reload, you have these new features on the page. And if you want them, they are good. If you don't want them, don't use them. You can also put these small widgets down here in the footer end of the page. If you want to add content to your pages, and of course you want that, it's not that hard. It's more or less like adding information to an email account, to the email. So under me, I can click on edit to start to type in information here. I'm gonna type in Swedish a little bit. That's my thought. Hello. something is bugging right now. Alright. We are waiting. Here they are. I can add texts. I can add pictures. Go to upload and insert. I can find a nice picture of myself. Perhaps. I hope so. Search my name, Eric. Dutch GPG. Here I am. And if I want to add myself into the post or the page, it's not that difficult. I just scroll down. I can change the title of myself to The King. If I want to click on the image, if I want to make it clickable, I can add this URL link to the picture. And I want to insert this as a full-size image. You can resize it down if you want to several different sizes. But I click on Insert Posts, and there you have it. There I am. I click on Update, and then I'm going to go to the site, and I'm going to click on Me, and hopefully I'm going to see a really nice picture of myself here pretty soon. There I am. Super nice. So I'm gonna finish this session off pretty soon. What we'll talk about is how to add more pages and how to work with the menu. We have talked about how to remove and add things in this widget area, the sidebar, and we also have talked about how to insert content into a page. So in the afternoon I'm gonna release a new video about how to add video content to this web page and how to add a custom made logo and so far. Alright, see you soon.